show you how to do the general physical examination in children. तो क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? वेरी गुड. मैं सिर्फ आपको छू के देखूंगा, ठीक है ना? हाँ. So examination starts with vitals. In vitals we have to look for temperature, pulse, breathing, and if facility is available, SpO2. So and then blood pressure. So in pulse, start with the pulse. So pulse, we have to palpate pulse, radial pulse. So we have to look for the all peripheral pulses, whether it is palpable or not. So brachial pulse, radial pulse, then comes the femoral pulse, then popliteal pulse, then posterior tibial artery, and then dorsalis pedis. This is the peripheral pulses. And central pulse is carotid pulse. नीचे देखो बेटा, this is one side one time, not simultaneously both sides. This is carotid, this is central pulse. So in pulse, first is peripheral pulses, palpable or not. Then what is the rate of pulse? You have to count full 1 minute. Then rhythm, then volume, then character, then synchronicity. So volume we have to feel, and rhythm we have to see. Then synchronicity, feel simultaneously both radial. So is there any radio-radial delay? And then feel radial and femoral. Is there any radio-femoral delay? Then there are so many abnormal characters of the pulses. I will not go into detail. Then after pulse, you have to check breathing. Full 1 minute count of respiratory rate. Then see the respiratory pattern, whether it is abdominothoracic or thoraco-abdominal. In children, it is thoraco-abdominal. In adult, in female, it persists like thoraco-abdominal, but in male, it is abdominothoracic. Then abnormal breathing pattern. There are so many abnormal breathing patterns. Like Kussmaul's breathing, Kynastos breathing, Barrett's breathing, due to different diseases, you have to look for and then see the retractions. So there are retractions in the intercostal space, subcostal space. So this is between the ribs, intercostal space. So see retraction here, and this subcostal space, see retraction here. This is suprasternal area, see retraction here. So if there is just retraction with increased rate of breathing, then it is sign of respiratory distress. So this is second thing, pulse, then breathing, then see the blood pressures. Blood pressure should be measured in sitting position, right arm, and blood pressure varies according to the height and age of the child. Then look for temperature, you can feel it and you can measure by thermometer. Then you measure the SpO2. After the vitals check, you have to examine general physical examinations. And there is one mnemonic, that is PICCLE for general physical examinations. Pallor, icterus, cyanosis, clubbing, lymphadenopathy, and edema. So start by one in short. So for pallor, we have to look the palpebral conjunctiva. Beta ऊपर देखिए, this is palpebral conjunctiva. You have to look pallor here. This is palpebral conjunctiva. You have to look pallor here. On the palm you can see pallor. ऐसा करो बेटा. On the dorsum of the tongue you can see pallor. बेटा जीभ दिखाओ. So these are the area you have to look pallor. Then icterus. For icterus you have to see. बेटा नीचे देखो. Bulbar conjunctiva over the sclera. See. नीचे देखो बेटा. So this is the area to look for icterus. Then cyanosis under the surface of lips and tip of the tongue. जीभ दिखाओ बेटा. So tip of the tongue and under surface of the lips. You have to see, look for the cyanosis. Then clubbing. So see the fingers, end of the fingers. So if it is bald, it may be clubbing, and if there is obliteration of the angle between nail and nail bed, then it is clubbing. If there is fluctuations like this, then it is clubbing. And if there is obliteration of semblance angle, ऐसे करो बेटा जरा, ऐसे कीजिए, ऐसे, very good. So there is diamond separate angle. If it is obliterated, then it is clubbing. Then look for edema. For edema, so in ambulatory patient, edema, you just see, this is scene of tibia, this is dorsum of foot, this is medial malleolus. Just press over any area, press here for 5 to 30 seconds, and then look for depression. If it is not visible, then just sweep your finger over there. If there is any finger feeling of elevation, then it is edema. Look for edema here also, look for edema here also. But in lying down patients, like bedridden patients, you have to look for edema in the over the sacrum, here over the sacrum, back. Okay. Then comes lymphadenopathy. Lymphadenopathy. So there are so many peripheral lymph nodes and deep lymph nodes. Superficial lymph nodes and deep lymph nodes. Deep lymph nodes, parietic lymph nodes, and so many deep lymph nodes like mediastinal lymph nodes. But we have to look for the peripheral lymph nodes. and most commonly you have to look over two areas, cervical and inguinal. There may be axillary and all that, epitracheal, all that, but this is important. So for the lymph node, beta ऐसे घूम जाओ. So just ask the child to flex the neck, नीचे कीजिए, and you have to look like this. See, this is submental lymph node, this is submenstrual lymph node, this is jugular-diastolic lymph node. Then comes the chain of cervical lymph node, upper cervical, lower cervical, then intercervical, and behind this it is posterior cervical, behind the sternocleidomastoid. So this is lymph nodes, cervical lymph node, and this is inguinal lymph node. This is bilaterally. For axillary, we will examine the axillary lymph node in detail sometime. So this completes the vital assessment and general physical examinations. Thank you, bete.